understand. What happened, Ivan? Why'd you ditch me?
I didn't ditch you. I was right here next to you. Then suddenly there was this horrible blinding light, and then I don't know what happened.
Blinding light? I wonder what that could have been. Stevie! In conclusion, those are the top 50 reasons why I chose this pencil sharpener as my object for show intent.
Boring. Boring. I mean, am I right? Tell me I'm not the only one thinking it.
Cat in the hat, cat in the tree.
What about your